Hello, my wonderful friend. Welcome to today's masterclass. Today, we will be painting these beautiful chamomiles. Prepare gouache paint, and the first paint that we're going to use is going to be red color. Make the red color desired consistency, adding a little bit of water, and then start painting the vase. The consistency of the gouache paint has to be creamy. It doesn't have to be watery. It has to be creamy and also not very, very thick. The consistency of a sour cream or a thick yogurt. If you see dry patches on the paper, dip your brush in the paint or in a little bit of water and start covering. Cover it gradually, not very fast, making beautiful strokes, up and down, up and down. Now take a little bit of black color and we will mix it with the red color. Make sure that you are adding black gradually. We need to get very darkish red to create the shade side on our vase. Now we will be creating the volume. So we're gonna get more or less 3D effect for our vase. Now take white color and now we're going to create the light side on our vase. The light source comes from that side, so that's where our light side is. Mix it as well gradually, add a little bit of red, so we need to get kind of pinkish color. Now take green and paint the stems of our flowers. Now, my friend, take yellow color, add a little bit of water and start painting little circles on the paper. These are the middle parts of our beautiful chamomiles. Now it's time for the petals. Take white color, add a little bit of water to make it nice, beautiful, creamy consistency. Make sure that it's not watery, it's nice, creamy consistency. And using the brush, start stamping the petals. It's really very easy. Everything depends on what kind of brush you have. If you have small flat brush, you will get small flat petals. If you have long thin brush, then you will get long thin petals. It depends on your preference. So choose the brush which you want to use and what kind of petals you want to make. And do it for all the flowers, everywhere where you painted yellow circles. Now, my friend, using thin brush and brown color, let's put small lines on a yellow part of the flower. This is the shade side. We need to emphasize it as well to give our flowers a little bit of volume. If you forgot somewhere to put white petals like I did, sometimes happens, take white and add everything what you need. Now take again yellow, but this time light yellow, and we're going to put some light on the green stems. Also, I will take a little bit of orange and I will add a little bit of that color on my yellow because I want the middle to pop up a little bit. I don't want to look it dull. So if you want the middle of your flower to pop a little up, you can add a little bit of orange. And now let's decorate our vase a little bit. Take cotton bud, dip it into white, and put little dots all over the vase. But do not overdo it, just a little bit. And the last bit is our highlight, the highlight on the vase. And that's it. This is the end of the masterclass. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for spending time with me today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.